Today we'll talk about how can you enable follow suggestions on your Streets app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications, then you come to next step here, then you just click here on from threads. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you come here to follow suggestions, click here on this sign or on here, like you see this color show for us, that's mean here follow suggestions enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.